accept the Green Product Award 2022 for the Prime Station Pulsar in the Workspace category on behalf of the whole team of Prime Computer. At Prime Computer, we contribute to a greener planet by enhancing a closed-loop manufacturing of cutting-edge green IT devices. We knew that was a powerful idea when we started several years ago. But what we did not know was that an entire industry was about to change. And look where we are now. It's 2022 and we have just received the prestigious Green Product Award for the Prime Station Pulsar in the Workspace category. We already had a sense that things were shifting, but the big changes in the industry come quicker than anyone could have predicted. So thank you again, Green Product Award, and to anyone who contributed to our success story. It's a pleasure to be here with you today, and the whole team is looking forward to what we can accomplish in the years ahead.